Gavin back here, and today, Mobile King back here. Today we're going to be making another video. I know it's been a while, but that is for reasons, which I cannot explain. But unfortunately, I will no longer be able to make any hack videos. Yep, it sucks, I know. But I cannot, because YouTube actually sent me a message asking me not to hack any more games on YouTube, whatever. You get the gist. I don't know why. I've seen so millions of other hacking videos. I don't get it. But instead, I've decided to actually start making a series. Well, not a series. Sorry about that. I guess just do gameplay of different mobile games. Give you like the gist on them. So today we're actually going to be playing Faily. It's a very good game. I suggest you might get it. But, it's a pretty fun game, and I'm actually pretty sick. So if you hear me snorting throughout the video, don't think anything bad. I don't understand. I don't know. But enough talking. Let's just get into gameplay. So let's go. Stupid goat. I'm coming for you. Uh-oh. That could be good. Uh-oh. And actually, this is not how you start off in the game. I got a couple vehicles unlocked. I've had this game for like 2 weeks. So, this is not the car you start off with. You actually start off with a pretty crappy motorcycle. It's one of my best ones, though. Ooh. Gotta collect them coins, buy some new cars. So I guess after this gameplay, I might be able to show you cars or something like that. Collect this coin. Oh snap, I almost died. I didn't need to. Shoot the truck. There we go. Uh-oh, had a machine gun. Bodily, Fast and Furious, let's go. If you hear something in the background, that's just my sister. She is vacuuming her room. So, yeah, keep going. Keep her going. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! Wow. Magnificent. That is just how Mobile King rolls. And just a machine gun. So, very good. Here we go. Backflip. Oh, collect that coin in the middle of it. It's actually a hover bike. That's why I like this bike so much. And it's easier on turning. Man, how many roads? How was that? Oh god. Crash. Wow, god. That was epic. So you can see a crash on you. Oh, backflip. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Oh my god. Battery runs down really fast. Hold up, guys. Give me a sec. Okay, guys. Just plugging my phone up to the charger. Oh god, it's lagging. And I died. Went pretty far actually though. Wow, it's really lagging. Okay. So I guess I'll show you my bikes. So let's look at these. So I had the rain, the green machine, the ghost, the Magola, the captain, the slayer, the canary, Brando, it's the starting motorcycle, Alfie, the Alf, the Reed, the Chili, the Barcia, I'm pretty sure, the Sheen, the Falcon, and the Rain. That is all my bikes. So I guess we can get back into gameplay now, so. I just might be able to buy another car in this video. I don't know why I keep saying me to click this. I'm gonna click it like 12 times. Okay, let's do this. Yes, I got my map set on random, so it'll be most of the time a different map every time. Bob and weave, Bob and weave. Ugh. Christmas in the crib. Oh, Yeti. Oh, I couldn't collect it. God, it's lagging. I don't know why. I don't know why it's lagging so much, guys. It usually doesn't do this. Oh my god. I guess I'm gonna get on this highway because that one looks pretty bad. Pretty backed up. There's another crash. Ooh, bridge. Is that little ramp? Come on, get the machine guns, Gavin. Ah, I missed them again. Ooh. I probably will be able to get another car. That might be how I end off the video. I don't know. Let's not talk about that right now. It's kind of bumming me out. I never want to leave y'all guys. You guys are the heart and soul of my YouTube channel. So, I'm not a very popular YouTuber at all, but those 14 subscribers, they get me somewhere. God, it's lagging. Oh, God! You're on top of the map. Let's watch that action replay. There we go. Speed up a little bit. I didn't go for a while. Sorry guys, me and my brother were arguing, so, yeah, I accidentally had to skip the replay, but you can kind of see it in the background. So if you hear any background noise, it's our light is messed up. So, I guess let's do this. And my brother is still screaming random comments, so just don't listen to him. Okay, let's do this. Start it up. Maybe I can actually get a freaking car in this video. Machine guns are the best. Alright, what's gonna ever bring me down? We're the best in town. Actually, I got a lot of other YouTubers in town, but I'm probably the best in town. Oh! That couldn't be good. I think we can get it. Oh yeah, shield, baby. Come on, we have to get a car in this video. Let's hit those cars, hit those fools. Sorry guys, my sister coming with some bullcrap. I'm sorry I'm having to pause this so long. My sister calls him bullcrap, and then my brother, I'll try to argue with him. They're younger than me, so. Boo-hoo. But I really want to get a car in this video, so we gotta hurry. It's the countdown. Count with me, guys. Let's go. Almost to 90. God, I don't know why it's lagging so much. I really don't. Oof, lag will affect me. Hopefully. Oh my god. That was scary. Come on. Come on. Ooh, bob and weave. Ah! I'm really sucking right now. But we only got 10 coins to go. Let's do this, boys. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Every load. Come on. Come on. Let's go. So, yeah, I'll be playing lots of mobile games. From now on, I'll be making a video every 2 days. Try. It's not a promise. Here's my schedule. God, it's lagging like a mug. Oh my god. I don't understand why it's lagging so bad. Nothing's wrong with my phone. Okay, it just cracked a little, but that's not an excuse. Nothing's wrong with my phone. I'm unlocking a car for y'all guys in this video. I don't care how long it takes. We're getting a new car. Whoa, yeah, boy, yeah, boy. 4 more coins. Can we get them in this game? I don't know. We can try, though. Crap, the goat's freaking blocking it. No. Yes! Come on! No! The lag is unreal. God! Come on, all I got is 2 coins left. And then it'll be over. The lag. And of course, the video. It sucks, I know, but I don't feel like making my videos in 15 minutes. It is pretty. Oh my god, I missed the freaking coin. And now it's gonna lag like a mug. 1 more coin. Come on. Sucks showing me the coin at all. Freaking loads and crap. Ooh, just stand silent right here. Found a new technique. I swear if it doesn't give me anything but shields and... Yes, there's our last coin, boys. Yes, so I will be able to buy a car in this video. Ooh. Ah, go, didn't even see it. Ah! Well, that was an epic fail, but let's win a prize. So, let's win a bike. Itty, bitty, mighty, mo. Catch a tiger by its tail. If it hollers, let it go. My mama told me to pick the very best one, and you are its middle. Oh, snap. This car is looking good, boys. Guess we get 1 gameplay with it. 1 gameplay won't hurt. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's get a gameplay before the lag starts. Because, lag is unreal. Oh, can we beat the train? Fast and Furious beating the train. Oh, we beat the train. By a lot. Okay. So, there you are, guys. There is some Belly Rider gameplay. I don't know. I might do another episode. I really don't know. But I'll try to get a new game for you in the next video.
Yeah, Mom said hurry up.
Sorry, my sister is a little crap. If you heard it, I don't know. But, I'll see you guys next time in the next video. I have no clue what we'll be playing, but see you guys next time. Subscribe to Mobile King, please, and bye.